Well, here we are at the Edgar Allan Poe home, and haunted or not haunted? What do you think, sir?
I think that it's haunted.
You think it's haunted?
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's pretty cool. We are here. We're going to have our tour in about 45 minutes. And do you mind being on my YouTube channel? This fella here, he lives right down the street. And what happens at your house?
Well, like I said, it's a spirit walking around in my house. All he does, or he or she, goes to the bathroom.
Well,
Every time, it just goes to the bathroom.
and you're just up the street from here, huh?
Yeah, just up the street. Yeah.
Well, thank you. And I know you're one of the helpers here at the festival. Thank you for all you're doing here.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Edgar Allan Poe was waiting to greet us when we arrived at his home, and we're about to go in. Now, Miss April, she was the main curator when we were here. She gave us her tour and was very nice, and she thought Goober was very cute, and she was a great sport about meeting Goober. Anyhow, let's continue with our tour. Wow. Let's see here. Latin hymn. The location. So here we have the fireplace mantle. It's a little room. Interesting. And of course, Goober the Traveling Bear is in Edgar Allan Poe home. Okay, we're going up the stairs. And they are little. Oh, come on. Want me to come up? Ugh.
This is like a little bit.
Okay. Wow. So we made it up the stairs, which were there. So up here in this room, they have the Roots in Baltimore. And it's a small room, everyone. All right, we're gonna go over across. Pretty neat in here. Poe was the first writer to write about the main character who were bad guys or mad guys, and those of some of my favorite stories, Stephen King. Where was a detective story until Poe breathed breath of life into it? Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. All right, let's go across here. And zip up the staircase for me. While Goober was in Edgar Allan Poe's home, he stopped here to hang out on the mantle for a few minutes. All right. Wow. He came out good. Goober on the mantle with Edgar Allan Poe. And thank you, Tim. Well, in this room, we have the bow back Windsor chair. So this room is small like everything else, and you're getting a view of Edgar Allan Poe's home, and it was interesting. He's quite the character. Miss April here has been fantastic. All right. All right, one thing about this house, it has a lot of weird little staircases. All right, we're going down. I'm gonna let the camera run just for the heck of it. Ugh. And there we go. Pretty exciting coming down that little staircase. Well, that ends our tour of the Edgar Allan Poe home. And once again, stay safe, be kind, and be courteous, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.